Hi guys, I'm back with a new video, and today we're going to be solving this math problem. Now I'm going to read it to you guys. Real numbers a and b satisfy the equations 3a equals 81b plus 2, and 125b equals 5a minus 3. What is ab, or a times b? And you have your answer choices down here, and go ahead and try to solve this problem yourself. Okay, I assume you've done that. Now let's solve it together. So let's look at our first equation. We have 3a equals 81b plus 2. Okay, so we first have to make the bases the same, which in this case, the base in our case would be 3. We want to make both of the bases 3. So we can leave the this first a over a to exponent 3, alone, so 3a. This equals, well, 81 is 3 to the power of 4. And then we have this b plus 2 on top. So 3 to the power of a equals 3 to the power of 4 to the power of b plus 2. So now we can again leave the 3 to the power of a alone. 3 to the power of a equals, and since we have a power to a power, we have to multiply them. So we have 3, and then for the exponent, 4b plus 8. Okay, now we have 3 to the power of a equals 3 to the power of 4b plus 8. Since we have the bases the same, we can write our first equation as a equals 4b plus 8. This is our first equation. Now let's look at the second equation. We have 125b equals 5, there we go, a minus 3. Okay, so we can do the same thing. We have to make the bases the same, and we have to make both bases 5. So we can first leave this 5 to the power of a minus 3 alone. So let me rewrite it. 5 to the power of a minus 3. Okay. And now we can deal with the 125 to the power of b. And 125 is 5 to the power of 3. And then we have to the power of b. Okay. So now, since we have again an exponent and an exponent to a power to a power, let me get my words right. A power to a power, we have to multiply them. So we get 5, and then to the power of 3b. This equals 5 to the power of a minus 3, since we didn't do anything here. Okay, again, since we have the bases the same, we can write our second equation, 3b equals a minus 3. Okay, now we have two equations. And since we know what a equals, we can just plug this in to the a in the second equation. So this equals, so we would have 3b plus 3 if you take this negative 3 to your side, which you can do. Like, you don't have to do it, but I'm just doing it in this case. So we have 3b plus 3 equals a, or 4b plus 8. Okay, so now we can take this positive 3 and take it to the other side, which makes it negative 3, and negative 3 plus positive 8 equals 5. So we have 5 for the integer, you could say. And if we take this 4b to the other side, that makes it negative 4b. And negative 4b plus 3b equals negative b. So we get negative b equals 5. Okay? Or if we want to put it as b equals positive b, we can just put it as b equals negative 5 if we multiply both sides by negative 1. Okay, so now we know that b equals negative 5. Now, we can just plug it into one of these equations. I'm going to choose the first equation that we did, which is, I'm going to write it over here. A equals 4b plus 8. Okay, and then we can just plug this negative 5 into this equation. Now, a equals 4 times negative 5 plus 8. 4 times negative 5 equals 20 plus 8, negative 20, negative 20 plus 8 equals 12. Negative 12 again. I keep forgetting the negative sign. Negative 12, which equals A. Okay, so now we know what A and B are. And it is asking what is A times B, or negative 12 times negative 5. Negative 12 times negative 5 equals 60. This is your answer. So E on the answer choices. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Great day, and bye.